Hey, it's me, Ivars. Today, we will create the first page of our busy book. First, create a new button and add the scene switcher script to it so that we can switch to another scene. If you haven't watched the video covering the scripts, I highly recommend checking out the previous lessons. Next, create a new scene, give it a name, and make sure to add the scene's name in the inspector. Also, ensure that the canvas is set to scale with the screen size. Now, let's create a new panel and add 2 images in the new scene. The images will represent the pages of our book. You can simply drag and drop the images inside your project window. When it comes to the size and position of the page images, it's a matter of personal preference. The images could cover all of the panel or just the middle part, which is how I'll leave them here. I also changed the color of the panel so that the white parts are slightly blue. Discuss the code we need for this page. Create a new script and name it Matching Game 3. This script will handle the functionality to show check marks when the answer is right and a win sign when a player has found all 3 squares. There are comments in the main lines of the script, so make sure to pause, write this, and read them. We also need buttons where the 3 squares are, so create 3 buttons and place them in the scene. Additionally, we need an image to display when a player wins. end, it should look like this. The script we wrote should be added to the page image, and make sure you assign the rest of the images and buttons to the script in the inspector. You can save a color as a preset right here. Once you play and test it, it should work as expected. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.